Hey there. I just wanted to take a couple minutes and talk to you about an upcoming event that I'm participating in January 3rd through the 5th in Sedona, Arizona. And that is the Channel Panel, Dawn of Disclosure. Now, this is the third time I'll be doing a Channel Panel event. And honestly, their events are some of my favorite events to do because there are more than 20 channelers, healers, and teachers, some of the most respected in the world, who participate in this event. In addition to the main stage presentation, I'll also be offering a special workshop. And the title for this is Connecting to the Divine Within, Activating Your Multidimensional Light Body Matrix. I know it's a mouthful, but I sat down with the guides and I asked them what they wanted to talk about. And since the theme of this event is Dawn of Disclosure, they've spent a lot of time talking about the most important thing for us to move towards disclosure is really about clearing out our own energetic field, releasing the limiting beliefs that we're holding on to, because everything that we play out at the human to human level, we also play out interdimensionally. So, to prepare for that interdimensional connection, we need to clean house here. So during this workshop, we're going to be looking at past life programs, ancestral beliefs, and beliefs that we set up for ourselves of lack, limitation, and separation from early childhood to adulthood. And we're going to be working with language of light activations and galactic light codes to help to integrate those limiting beliefs. Now, if you don't know what the language of light is, it is a source language and it's comprised of light, sound, sacred geometry, and cosmic information. It's a living language and it's a real time language, meaning that if you connect with it today, you'll get what you need today. And then as you connect with it 2 weeks, 2 months, 2 years from now, you will get what you need in that moment that will help you to align with the frequencies that are being presented to you. Now, galactic light codes are those symbols that represent the written form of the language of light. So, as we work with this material, it's helping us to realign our energy and to realign our light bodies to these higher resonances. And we're moving out of the 3D version of our light body matrix and we're moving into a 5D version. So, we're kind of converting over to the new system. And the activations that we're going to be doing are designed to help you to do just that. This will be a channeled workshop, so I will be bringing in the ninth dimensional Pleiadian collective, aka the P's, as well as other galactic light beings. And they're going to support us on this journey to integrate what we've been holding on to that no longer serves us. Now, if you are interested in joining us, you can find more information over on our website at higherfrequencies.net. And, if you can't join us live in person, and I really hope you can, but if you can't, I know there are many people who live on the other side of the world or in Europe, South America. If that's the case for you and it's a little too big of a trek, well, we've got online tickets that are available for the main stage presentations. If you would like to participate in the workshop, that is an in-person event only. So if you would like to do that, you will find more information over on the website as well. And seats are limited. So if you would like to guarantee your seat, I would highly recommend that you take a look at that you grab that seat sooner rather than later because these are smaller event spaces and they will sell out. So please be sure to hop on that if you are interested. Again, I'm really excited about being back in Sedona. It's an amazing way to kick off the new year. And I hope to see you there. If I don't see you in person, then I hope to connect with you online. So until then, I'm sending you all the best. And I look forward to connecting with you in January.